probably here.
Dang!
What?
That's a lot of honey.
It's not honey. It's larva.
See her?
That yellow cap, the gold cap stuff isn't honey.
No. Honey is white.
Come on, Press. You spotted her last hive. No luck this one? I don't see her on here.
Yo, stop moving it. Can't see.
I'm trying to angle it in the light to see if I can see anything. It looks like this is all pollen anyways. She's got to be on the next couple then. Oops, sorry. Dropped it. Smashed you. Wow, that's pretty stuck. That means good news. The last one that was really stuck in there was where we found her. Alright, let's see what we can. No larva.
There she is, right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, there she is.
Preston the Queen.
Nice. Good eyes, Prest. Notice though, no green anymore.
Yeah, there's a little.
Oh, there is? Alright. Mission accomplished. Good job, Prest. 2 for 2.
Well, here you go. 3 for 3.
That high-pitched noise is what they usually do right before they sting you.
Crawling over my legs.
Alright, we're going to pull the burr off. Because it caused a bunch of
You
problems.
are.
Oh, yeah.
Just scrape it out.
They're not going to like it.
My baby!
Oh! I win another stinger. Didn't like me pulling the burr off. Oh, we need the other box. Okay, smoked her. Smoke these bad boys down. Come on, boys, go in. Time to go in. Time to go in. Quit hanging out up top. Alright, here we go. Stand back. Is that pitcher full?
Yep.
Oh, man, these boxes are getting heavy.
How heavy is that one?
Probably 50, 60 pounds. Oh, sorry, dude. Cut him in half. Oh, got another one. That's probably not good to bank the frame.
And that's when you know.
See, this is what you do. You leave the cap on, Bryson, so it doesn't spill, and then when you're ready to dump it, just go. It comes out so much faster. Alright.
It's all, the big one's all empty, Preston?
Yep.
Okay, now on to the new.
Those are up. Should we scrape some of this burr off? You guys want some souvenirs?
Sure.
Wow, that thing's pretty heavy just for that small thing. Pretty cool.
Beeswax.
Where?
That's what it's made of.
Oh, shoot. There goes the larva. Could use that for chapstick.
Okay, it's all yours, chapstick. Look out, boys. Alright, you want to be smashed? You want to be smashed? Tra-la-la.
Whoa, what is that?
Alright, we smell smoke, so we're good to go for the last hive.
Okay.
Ready to roll?
Yep.
we gonna add a box to that next one?
Should we? There's a lot of burr comb.
Yeah,
And
that's
lots
true.
of
Maybe
comb.
we should.
Should we?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll add it in a second. Let's get the entrance here. I'm not so sure about this hive.
Why?
It just seems really weak. And look, no bees.
Oh, there's a spider on the back.
Really?
Yeah, huge jumping spider. Smoke it.
Jump off! There's not that many bees in this hive. It's kind of troublesome. Look, they haven't even drawn out those frames I put in there. They're not even eating the pollen patty. I just don't know if this hive's gonna make it. Nothing.
Something.
No,
Take it out. Let's see it.
There's nothing on these frames. Nothing.
Here, look. It's not on the thing all the way. You gotta move it.
That's not gonna make a difference.
Yeah.
And they even start drawing out. This is the frame that they came with in the box. Look, nothing.
Is the queen even in there?
I don't know.
Let's try and find it.
If she wasn't, you would think they would make a queen cell. Every time I open it, there's just fewer and fewer bees.
It's probably because they all go over to those ones.
Nah, they can't do that. Oh. I mean, this is 2 weeks. And they're exactly
The
look,
same.
there's larvae in there. Let's find the queen. I don't know if it was just a weak hive, so it's taking a hard, not very many bees, so it takes a long time to double or triple its size. But see the queen? I don't. I don't see her on that frame. It's not hard to miss her in this one.
There's like 100 bees max per frame.
Yeah, not much. Pretty.
Skittish.
Yeah, they just don't seem very. Okay, they did build that since last time and glued up a lot of this stuff, but hey, nothing. Is there anything in there? I don't see any babies in there. Oh, there's one. It's a weird pattern in it.
Flip it over. We didn't even check the other side.
There's nothing. Just the same.
Okay.
Oh, there's babies in there.
Well, we know we won't be getting another nuke.
Yeah, the nuke was I thought would be the way to go. It looks like it was a dud. Come on, Queenie, where are you? This is the last frame to look at. 3 frames after a month. And these are the frames that already came with. Oh, sorry.
There goes the queen.
Yeah, she's got to be on this frame. Oh, knocked somebody off.
Looks exactly the same as when I saw it.
Yeah, it's full of pollen. Oh, there are little tiny. See, look in the center over here. See those little things that look like little tiny grains of rice?
No.
Clear down in the bottom of the cell.
Oh, like right here?
No, over here. Over right there.
Where?
Right? No, up. Just leave your finger right there. Right there. Look in those cells. See, there's a little reflection of a little teeny tiny grain down there. You see it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
There's little teeny tiny.
Oh, I can't see it. You're not.
Look with your eye and then.
Oh, yeah. I see it.
Those are eggs.
Oh.
But I don't see the queen.
No queen on this side either.
Really?
Yep.
Maybe she's not in here.
Well, how come there's eggs?
maybe from the beginning of the hive, and then she just
With
died off.
laying drone. Why aren't they making a queen set?
It's like nothing on this hive.
There's a ton of eggs in here. A ton.
Nothing.
Might have to rob a frame out of one of those other ones and put it in here.
One of that strong one.
Yeah. I hate to do that, but I don't know what else to do.
Don't want to take the one with the queen on it though.
Yeah, yeah. But if they don't have a queen, then they'll make one from that.
Yeah.
I do not see the queen.
Okay, well, I'll just take this one out and then.
Yeah. Well, we want to take the second one out. Oops.
This one? This one?
Yeah. All right, now what we're going to do
Nothing.
is open this up.
Maybe
We're gonna
10.
open this up, take one out, and then put this other box on too.
Do you want me to throw this frame in there when you take that one out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go. I like this.
Got pressing. Just take it from this one right here, because I'm pretty sure that's not the one with the queen on it.
Now let's take it from like here.
We'll make sure the queen's not on it.
Well, she was on the lower ones, but we're gonna brush all the bees off anyways. This is gonna get a little crazy. Hand me the brush,
Where is it?
and then hand me the hive tool so I can actually get it down.
Okay. There's more bees in that thing, which isn't even part of a hive yet.
Because
than
I've been
there is in
setting the
that new.
hives on it. Yeah, you're right. All right, let's make sure it has eggs. I'm gonna drop this if I don't be careful. Make sure we're not just putting pollen in there and nectar, and that's what it looks like in this frame. Strictly pollen and nectar. Yep.
Okay.
All right, so that
We'll
one.
take it from that one, because I'm pretty sure there's eggs in the one to the left of it.
Okay.
Well, towards you one.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Got it. Let's see.
Is there eggs?
Yes.
Okay. Yep, I see
All
it.
right, we need to brush
Okay.
these off.
Preston, brush.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah,
brush.
you have it, Dad.
Oh,
Here,
yeah.
I'll hold it.
No, I got it. Yeah, they're not gonna like this. All right, you got the other frame, Bryson?
Yeah, it's over here.
And the camera off to Crest.
There, you're gonna have to take it off my hand. Okay. Right. Good. Where is it?
Just rob one from the
So
other.
we'll see what that does. Hopefully that fixes that time.
Okay, you want me to throw this box on there?
Let me put it on so we don't squash too many of them. I need to smoke those guys so they go down in. Okay, coming on.
Making the third box.
Wow, that guy had like a flower on him.
Really?
Yeah.
Good?
Oh, look, it's right there. Look in there. You see him right there?
Oh yeah,
He's got like a flower on him.
He's bringing it all back. Hey guys, I brought a whole bunch. Whoa, he just fell. He's drunk on that.
Oh wait, no, he's still flying. He's trying to get up.
Where is he?
He's right there. Ah, he let it go.
Pretty good. That's pretty funny.
He's trying to sting the hive now. Look at him. He's trying to sting the hive.
Who?
That guy.
He's like, no, we don't want you.
Oh, we left that.
The feeder in the bottom.
We left the feeder in the middle.
Oh. Oh well.
Bryson, look at this bee right here. It's like
Right.
watching it. It was like hovering right here, watching it.
These guys are getting really annoyed by us.
Here, I'll hold it.
Okay, well, we gotta.
He's like, just let
Take
us
2 frames
alone.
out.
Leave us alone. We have our own hive stuff.
It's right there.
Man, these guys are really
Whoa!